Frontline providers use auscultation to make critical decisions. This places them in direct contact with patients and makes them highly vulnerable to infection. Individual clinicians are searching for solutions to keep themselves safe. They need a stethoscope that protects them from infection so that they can focus on caring for their patients. Wireless auscultation is one of the meaningful ways Echo is supporting clinicians and patients in the fight against COVID-19. With Echo, clinicians wearing personal protective equipment can wirelessly auscultate using the Echo mobile app and headphones without having to expose themselves to pathogens. Sounds can be transmitted wirelessly by Bluetooth, delivering best-in-class heart and lung sounds. Here's how. Learn more about Echo wireless auscultation at echohealth.com/beatcovid.